Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan here bringing to you a brand new video. Now, first I have to apologize for not posting for 2 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks. I'm not sure. It's been a while. Disclaimer, this is a brain dump of the things I'm feeling or thinking at the moment. And if you don't want to hear me just prattle on about all of my woes in life right at the moment, you could just put it on mute and have your music in the background and listen. But for those of you who want to listen about why I'm not posting as much as I want or need, you can listen on. It's in my final semester of school. Yes, thank you Lord. But oh my gosh, I am so stressed out. I'm doing senior project and it's a lot more work than I thought it would have been. And I'm doing 2 other classes, and those 2 other classes does not stress me out as much as senior project does. And also there's a situation home that is pissing me off real bad, but yeah, so yeah, so that's why I'm making this video now. I created this drawing a while ago and I just overwhelmed with school and stuff at home, so I'll just say I'll talk and give you guys an update. So right this moment I'm doing senior project here at Costard, and this senior project is where you have to I don't think I should say it, but it's not a secret. Is where I have to come up with a entirely new product, and I have to do the business plan, the marketing plan, the logo, blah 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 blah. You have to do everything completely new. You can't have this idea how much years ago or like 2 months ago. It have to be completely new. And the idea I came up with is to make my own brand of watercolors. Now, ever since I've heard Jacqueline DeLeon say that how she would like to make her own, I was curious to see how it is. And it's simple, but let's just say each watercolor has their own ingredients or variations of ingredients to use. And I'm really curious and I want to create my own. So I was like, hey, this is a perfect time to try that out. And I think this is what created some of the stress that I have, is because I actually have a deep connection with this project and I actually want it to be good. And I think my perfectionist and my anxiety are all mixing up and making me extra stressed, and I'm like, I'm over it right now. Right now it's just come to a head, everything's exploded, and I just need a few moments to myself. And I've missed doing videos. So I said, hey, I'll post one today, and I hope you like it. So on this video right now I have to do primary research, and part of the primary research I chose to do is to do a questionnaire. And I know I have real bad communication skills. Communication scares me. I could talk to somebody face to face whole day, whole night. We could talk, it'd be cool, 1-on-1, 2-on-2, no, 2-on-1, you know. But put me in a group of people, I have no idea what to say. Have me speak over a phone, this phone is a dragon and will eat me. And talking over the computer, I'm always I'm always stressed that what I type is not going to be conveyed, because I put a comment and it will sound nice, and then people will be like, oh, that is such an offensive thing to say. So I watch millions of videos on YouTube and I barely comment, because I really don't want people to think my thoughts the wrong way. So this is a bad bad thing with this project, because with the questionnaire I did it on SurveyMonkey and I've only had 15 responses, and that's from close friends and some family members, and that's it. And Miss said that's not enough, but I don't know what else to do. I shared it on my Twitter and I shared it on my Instagram, and apparently I'm not very popular. I'm not very popular online, and I have nothing on myself to blame because I'm not good at communication. I've always been bad at communication, and right now it's biting me in the butt. So if you guys want to help a girl out and do my survey, it's down below, especially if you're from Trinidad and Tobago and like watercolors or would like to try watercolors. I just like to know your feedback so you can help with my research. Thank you if you do it. But the link is in the description if you like. And this video is not really any art related thing, it's just a brain dump because I've been overwhelmed with schoolwork and overwhelmed with work and overwhelmed with the situation at home that I just want to bang my head against the wall. And I don't know if it's okay to say this here, but seriously, I just want to bang my head against the wall because I am so overwhelmed, so frustrated with everything. I'm just so frustrated because I don't know what to do. I'm a visual learner. Miss give us an outline of how to do the project. And I know she cannot show us examples because people will take those examples and like copy it word for word or copy the format. But even though I understand that, it's really frustrating because when you're a visual learner, if somebody tells you to do something, it just sounds like gibberish. And yet if they show you what to do, you'll be like, oh, okay, cool. Show you how to do it, you'll be like, yeah, you'll never forget it. And that's how I am. So I'm not exactly sure what she wants or what she thinks, but it's just frustrating. And then I want to sound all professional in this thing, and that is all those things just coming up, just making me unsure of what to do, unsure of what to write, and time is running out. This is due in 2 weeks. It's not the entire project like the watercolor and stuff, it's just the business plan. It's due in 2 weeks, and I have ideas of what to do, but how to phrase it and how to write it, that's biting me in the butt. Because again, my perfectionist and anxiety is just rolling around in the hay, be like, hey, let's mess this girl's mind up. And I'm just over it. I just want this semester to be over, so over, so I could just graduate and get my certificate. Oh yeah, I said I'm in my final year, my final semester. After this, I'm done with class that if gate pays on time and I could graduate. Hallelujah. I'm sorry, I don't even know why I do that because I don't usually say things like that. And I'm sorry if this brain dump isn't what you guys are expecting. I'm really sorry about that. You can put this for that one. And yeah, thanks so much for listening to me. Actually, talking it out has helped. I would have liked to say a lot more, but I'm also a private person. I don't really know what's wrong with me. I'm bad at communication. I'm an introvert. I like to stay indoors, and I can only talk to a few people at a time before it becomes overwhelming. Do any of you guys suffer from that? Do you have any tips on how to get over it? Because it's been too long and I haven't actually been motivated to try. So again, thanks so much for listening to me ramble on. I'll see you when I can see you because I cannot guarantee a video will come out next week. Okay, lovelies. Bye.